This is the Wanbo X5 Pro Projector, a Google TV 4K supported indoor or outdoor projector that quotes 1100 ANSI lumens, a quiet 26 decibel rating fan, and built-in apps. It comes in right at around $250, and inside this video we're going to be testing out the Wanbo X5 Pro to see whether or not it is the best budget projector that you can buy. In order to test that out, we're going to be breaking down this video into 5 main parts. We'll start off with the unboxing of the Wanbo X5 Pro, taking a look at everything that's included inside the box. We'll then move into the setup and feature overview of this projector, and in the following 2 parts we'll do an indoor test where we will test out the audio and the visual quality of the projector with lights on and lights off, and then secondly we'll be doing an outdoor test. Lastly, I'll wrap everything up with my final thoughts as to why this projector may be worth buying. Before we get into all of that, I must say that I was sent this to review inside this video, however all of my thoughts and opinions are my own, and with that being said, here's the unboxing. Inside of the box, we're first going to be greeted with our user manual. And then underneath that is the Wanbo X5 Pro. And this is what it looks like out of the box. Underneath the projector, we have the power cord. And then lastly, the remote control. On the projector itself, we have a power button in the top right corner, an HDMI port, 2 USB-A ports, and a headphone jack. You're not going to find any kind of focus wheel on the front because it's going to be an autofocus projector. As far as the remote goes, it's pretty standard. We have a power button, a source button there at the top, as well as a settings button and some of your more typical buttons like a home button, a back button, some volume buttons, and your streaming services like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video. To set up and use the projector, we have 2 different options. At the front of the projector, there's a little stand that folds out, and you could use that to stand up the projector on a table or a chair and project it that way, or you could attach it to a tripod like we're going to do inside this video. To turn it on, we'll click on the power button on the remote. The first thing we see is going to be the Wanbo icon. It will immediately go into autofocus, where it will get it completely crisp and clear without you having to use a button. We're then presented with a welcome screen. We can select the language. It will then walk you through the projection settings. We'll go ahead and click on front projection. After signing up with your Google account, it will ask you to choose different subscriptions that you may have. We're going to go ahead and skip this and just hit confirm. It will then start setting up Google TV. After the setup was complete, I measured the screen out to be 70 inches and the projector exactly 78 inches from the wall. So that should give you an idea of how big your projector screen will be. This is what the projector screen looks like while having the overhead light on in the bedroom. And this is what the projector screen looks like with the light off. Obviously, there's going to be a significant difference in the brightness of the image and the clarity of color. However, I noticed that it was perfectly usable with the lights on. As far as fan noise is concerned, this is how it sounds like with the microphone 1 foot away from the fan. In my personal opinion, the fan is extremely quiet and barely noticeable even when we don't have any kind of movies or TV shows projecting on the projector. I went ahead and measured the sound levels coming from the fan on the projector about 2 feet away, and this is what I got. This reading is actually not much different from the normal sound reading in this room because of the air conditioner being on. So I suspect that the fan noise is definitely under 30 decibels on the Wanbo X5. Now with the Wanbo X5 Pro, you're getting a full-fledged version of Google TV, which means you're going to have access to all of the standard apps that you're going to see on a typical Google TV, such as Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu, YouTube, YouTube TV, YouTube Music, and most importantly, you have the option to download all kinds of additional apps, including VLC Player, MX Player, TV programs like Sling, or even MLB, Philo, Max, ESPN, and a whole host of other apps that you're going to find on most TVs. You also have access to Google Live Free Play TV, so we can access all of these channels for free using Google TV. In order to test out the internal built-in speaker, we're going to go ahead and play some non-copyrighted music from YouTube. I'll make sure to turn the volume up all the way to the max volume, and I'll have the microphone situated 1 foot away from the speakers. In my opinion, those speakers were definitely loud enough. I couldn't hear the fan noise whatsoever beyond the music, and the audio was nice and clear for built-in speakers on a projector. To test out the visual quality, we're gonna go ahead and play some drone shots of some scenery to see what kind of color accuracy we're getting. Even though the footage here is gonna be in 1080p, it was especially popping on the screen just because of the excellent amount of brightness coming from the Wanbo X5 Pro. You can expect pretty good color accuracy with this projector, especially if you're watching with blackout curtains like you see in this footage, but even if you do have a light on, it's still fairly watchable and enjoyable. Even this dark scene with a movie looks excellent. For the outdoor test, I ended up setting up the projector an hour before the sun went down, and I didn't see anything on the screen. It just simply wasn't bright enough to project onto my giant inflatable projector screen. But as soon as the sun went down, I went out and I tested it again, and I got a clear and bright image on the projector screen. So my recommendation for using this outside is make sure that you wait until sundown to get the optimal results. When it comes down to it, you're getting a very capable and usable projector with the Wanbo X5 Pro. It's bright enough to project with the lights on inside, and it's perfect to use outdoors after sundown. It also has very clear speakers on it, and I thought they were plenty loud enough, definitely loud enough to drown out the sound of the fan. Plus you have Google TV built into the projector, making it very simple to use all of your favorite apps and even use AirPlay. So if you're looking for a solid medium budget projector, then I highly recommend the Wanbo X5 Pro for home movies. In my opinion, it's worth buying. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in both the home and the tech niches. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for when I release my next review.